Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we have a pretty hot day in store for us today. Those temperatures will be warming into the lower 90s. And with that humidity, we'll see those heat index values right around 100 degrees as well as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours today. We'll take a look at our current surface analysis. You can see high pressure off the southeast coast providing us with that southwesterly flow, bringing in a very warm air mass and also lots of humidity. Down in the Gulf of Mexico, you can see the remnants of Marco right along the uh, Gulf Coast this morning, sort of falling apart, becoming post-tropical late yesterday. But down to the south, just emerging into the Gulf of Mexico, you can see what has become Hurricane Laura over the last couple of hours. And that will continue to strengthen as we go through the next 24 to 48 hours, impacting the Gulf Coast later this week. I want to take a look here at our current satellite imagery of Hurricane Laura. You can see starting to get a little better organized as it begins to make its way into the Gulf of Mexico and track off to the northwest over the course of the next couple of days. It is expected to continue to see a pretty favorable environment with those warm temperatures, sea surface temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico, and also some good dynamics to work with as well as it makes its way to the Gulf Coast. Now, the models have shifted a little farther west than what they were showing yesterday and starting to become a bigger threat to the coastline of Texas as we go into the Wednesday night into Thursday morning time frame. As of right now, National Hurricane Center expecting it to reach that major hurricane status as a Category 3 intensity storm is what is being forecast currently as it makes its way toward the Gulf Coast. So some pretty active weather down there, and certainly something that those folks will be monitoring over the next couple of days. You can see here the hurricane track brings it north through Arkansas and then gets picked up by a upper level trough that swings the remnants of Laura towards the Wallops region by the later portion of this weekend. Coming up here Saturday night looks like the best time frame for seeing those rain showers associated with the remnants of Laura impacting our area. And we could even see those remnants reorganize off the coast as it exits the mid-Atlantic coast early Sunday morning, potentially becoming a post-tropical storm as it moves off the coast. But for us, just some minor impacts expected Saturday night with those showers and thunderstorms. So looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, seeing that wind generally out of a westerly direction from the lower levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet. And we see those winds increasing up to about 34 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning was at 14,200 feet. So taking a look at our current radar imagery, you can see really nothing to be concerned with as of right now. We are going to see a frontal boundary make its way south across the region later this evening, though. So we will see the chance for some showers and thunderstorms later on tonight. You can already see some storms up in Pennsylvania beginning to make their way south, and those showers and thunderstorms will be popping along that line and moving southerly across the region as we get into the late afternoon and especially into the evening hours tonight. I want to look here at our forecast model and what we can expect timing wise. By 5 p.m. this evening, you could see just some indication that some storms will begin to pop across the northern portion of the Delmarva. Those storms will quickly move south across the region. This model is a little slower than what I think will actually occur. I think we'll start to see these showers a little bit quicker than what the model is currently depicting. This is 10 o'clock local, seeing those storms into the central portion of the Delmarva. I think it could be as early as 7 or 8 o'clock when we see those showers and thunderstorms begin to move through the area here. We are looking at the potential of some of these storms becoming severe with some strong wind gusts associated with the storms. But the major impact will be off to our north into the northern sections of the Delmarva. So if you live across the northern and central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, certainly keep an eye out for some severe weather tonight. Here at Wallops, also looking for that potential, but not seeing as high of a chance of that severe weather as what we'll see across the northern and central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Overnight tonight, those showers and thunderstorms should quickly race off to the southeast. We'll see some drier conditions make their way into the area here for Wednesday with lower humidity values. We're going to see a pretty nice day in store for us with temperatures maxing out in the mid to upper 80s, and those lower humidity values under abundant sunshine should be a very nice day out there for Wednesday. Wednesday evening, we're going to see that frontal boundary lift back north as a warm front, and switching gears here and looking at our European model. For the most part, staying dry through most of the day on Wednesday and then through Thursday. But Thursday night could see some upper level energy move overhead and potentially give us another chance of some showers and thunderstorms. European model here keeps us dry Thursday evening without any real concerns for showers and thunderstorms, but some of our models are indicating we could see a line of storms move through Thursday evening as well. So this is a look at the GFS model for the same time frame, and you can see by 8 p.m. Thursday evening some of those showers and thunderstorms moving across the region. So still a little bit of uncertainty there for the Thursday evening time frame, but do think there is a slight chance of seeing some of those showers and thunderstorms here at Wallops. Now, as we go into the weekend, Friday looks to be fairly dry for the most part. European model starting to slow the timing of those remnants of Laura as they move across. Yesterday was looking like we could potentially see some showers pretty much the entire day on Saturday, but now it's looking like it may be pushing the timing back to the later portion of Saturday, maybe even early Sunday morning as those rain showers move through the region with those remnants moving across the area. So certainly something we'll keep our eyes open for Saturday night into Sunday morning with those showers and thunderstorms. Certainly a potential for that time frame. So taking a look at our next 24 hours and our hazardous weather that we are expecting, really the main concern for the daytime hours today will be those warm temperatures and the heat index values right around 100 degrees. So it will be very uncomfortable out there today with the heat index values right around 100 degrees during the late morning and into the afternoon hours. And then tonight, we'll shift gears and focus our concerns with the potential of some severe storms as they move through the area. Right now, again, looking like a better chance off to our north, but can't rule out a severe thunderstorm or two down in the Wallops area this evening as well. Mainly concerned with the time frame between 7 p.m. and midnight tonight. By Wednesday, as I spoke of earlier, we're going to see that front move through and usher in some cooler conditions. Northwesterly winds will provide us with lower humidity values tomorrow, looking at temperatures maxing out at around 87 degrees for our daytime high on Wednesday, and seeing some dry conditions as well. And then we'll see the return of some humidity on Thursday. Slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms Thursday evening. We're looking at about a 20% chance of those showers and thunderstorms occurring. But as you can see, those temperatures warming right back up to 93 degrees on Thursday. So our relief with lower humidity will be very short-lived on Wednesday. Friday, looking for another hot day with a high around 92 degrees. And then Saturday, we'll start to see some of those showers work their way into the area with the remnants of what is Hurricane Laura. And we'll see about a 60% chance of some late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms on Saturday, and then the potential of those showers and thunderstorms lingering into Sunday morning. Everything should clear out by Monday, with looking at partly cloudy and cooler conditions to start the week with a high temperature right around 84 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.